everyone, it's Michelle, and today I'm so excited because my Shane Dawson Jeffree Star Cosmetics conspiracy, mini controversy, all that jazz, it's all right here in this gigantic box. Whew, I probably ordered too much from this launch, if I'm being honest, but YOLO. Are the kids still saying YOLO? Probably not. The fact that I just said the kids speaks volumes. So much controversy around this conspiracy launch already. The launch was kind of a disaster in that like none of the websites were working. I used Beautylish because I have participated in a few Jeffree Star cosmetic launches, and I think that's just kind of the best route to go. So it took me about 30 minutes to check out. I think I got everything I wanted except for, spoiler alert, the Shane lip balm. That was a Jeffree Star cosmetics like site only, and I couldn't even check out on that site if I wanted to. So anyway, let's just get into what I got. Enough talking. Non-makeup products. I did get accessories. I got this makeup bag. Oh my gosh. The quality actually feels really nice. It's pretty thick. And then I love the little piggies on the zipper. Yeah, it's a really decent size. I can put my sponge up here, maybe some brushes, or down here, I don't know, but really cute bag. Glad I got it. Don't remember how much it was because I have a problem. All right. I mean, holy crap. Oink, oink. This thing's as big as my head. This is huge. Now I get why it was like $30, $31, $32, something like that. Again, I wasn't going to get this, but it's so cute. All right, makeup. I got one of the liquid lipsticks. A lot of the shades weren't my preference. I really don't like metallic liquid lipsticks either, but I did get this one. I gotta go. It looked really pretty. This feels like it's almost not locking. Like really loosey-goosey on there. I like the packaging though. Let's swatch it. You know what? His liquid lipsticks are eye safe. That almost looks like a beautiful liquid shadow. It's pretty. I also did get the Shane Dawson gloss, which it's just a clear, oops, it's just a clear lip gloss, but I mean, whatever. Okay, that one feels tight. I gotta smell it. Smells like a root beer candy. Yeah, just clear gloss. That's funny. Yeah, root beer candy for the win. Smells good. All right, you guys, which one should I open first? I did get the mini controversy. I think they did such a good job. Obviously, I've been watching the series. That flat earth shade looks really unique. Yeah, very cute. What you would expect. Very cute. And then we've got Be Big Boy, the conspiracy palette. This slides out, right? Ooh, yeah. So dope. The detail on this, I should take it out. It feels so nice. Dang, look at that. Sorry, every time I get a palette, I just like to look at it for a minute. I'm going to put you on my eyeballs. Do I do a look with the conspiracy palette and with the mini controversy? Let's not be crazy. I think I'll just review the controversy palette today, and then I can do the mini conspiracy in another video. That's what I'll do. Let's just get right into it. I'm gonna start with my pills. While we're here, while we're chatting, what are your thoughts on the series, The Beautiful Life of Jeffree Star? The biggest thing I'm hearing right now, funny enough, is how they kind of teased drama in the trailer, and then they haven't shown any of the like Tati James drama. And I don't know if they will. First of all, I'm nosy, so would I like to see it? Yeah, sure, why not? But if they don't include it, I mean, that's fine too. I've really been enjoying the series. I like that, at least as far as I know, as far as we all know, they're being honest and upfront about the numbers and the cost and, I mean, how much they're ordering. I don't know. I just like seeing more transparency on the back end. I think that's cool. And I know they've said that hopefully the next episode they're going to be like talking profit, like numbers, how much they're actually making off of it, because I mean, it's sold out. And I think they said they ordered like, what, 1 million units? That's insane to me. Whew. Oh my God, there's so many damn choices. I'm thinking about my life. Let's do Tanacon. I need more easy transition shades. There's just so many looks I could do. And since I'm only doing one look in this, I want it to be, you know, right. I'm getting my life together. Let's go in with pigment. 3 shades in, and so far they're blending like a dream. Same formula. I shouldn't say same, because I don't work in the fucking lab, but similar formula to Blue Blood, Blood Sugar, Jawbreaker. Just very smooth, blendable mattes. I'm going to go in with Flaming Hot. It reminds me of red licorice, looking at it in the pan. Goes on much more pink than I was anticipating. I thought it would be more red, but that's okay. I'm gonna take Not a Fact next. I really just wanna focus it on my outer corner. I really wanna focus it on my outer corner, she says, as she blends it into her crease. So far, this has been the hardest shade to blend. It's not that bad, it's a purple. You know how that goes. I'm going to take Not a Fact on a fluffier brush. I think I just want more of it. It's so pretty. Yeah, this one's definitely a little patchy. All right, I'm gonna come back to the outer corner, but right now I wanna add some shimmer without swatching any of these. I think I wanna go in with Sleep Paralysis. And if I regret it, well, oh well. It's pretty. I mean, it's not like wabam. I feel like it's more of a subdued shimmer. It's really pretty though. It's like a grayish purple, I don't know, it's really nice. Dude, I love that shade. I am getting a little bit of fallout, but to be expected. I'm gonna take some Diet Cola now, and I just wanna try to tap it in the center. I'm gonna take Not a Fact, that purple again. Ooh. It's like my superpower. Taking any palette and like figuring out how to do the most purple look possible. If you're new here, purple's my favorite. Hi, how are you? I'm gonna be right back. I'm going to clean up some of this fallout and put on blush, highlight. I'll just be back. I'm gonna take this ColourPop BFF liner. It's the hot pink one, Insomniac. Because I mean, I went full pink, purple. And when I was looking at it originally, I was gonna try to go like green and yellow, so. Not a Fact. Okay, I'm gonna take Flaming Hot. For something I never do, let's take Trisha. I'm going for it. I'm doing a colorful inner corner highlight. Oh, that's a lot darker than I anticipated. That's okay. Hold on. Oh shit, oh shit, okay. You know what they say, no one ruins a look faster than Michelle. Shit. I was not expecting this pigment. Why did I not swatch it? I've made a horrible decision. Let's see if some ranch can save it. Oh my God. I'm gonna put ranch on the brow bone. Mix in a little bit of Trisha, of course. Oh my God, I hate it. Why did I do that? Let's throw on some gloss. Let me throw on some mascara and I'll be back to talk about this. Oh my God, okay. Okay, I'm just gonna call it time of death. This is it. This is the finished look. What do we think? It's a little crazy. I was liking it until I got to the inner corner highlight. I was like, I'm gonna be fun and do a color, and then, whoo! Yeah, that was pigmented. But crazy inner corner aside, obviously I like the palette. The mattes I used, besides that deep purple one, blended very easily, and even the deep purple-ish shade wasn't bad. Like, obviously, I got it there. It was fine. Can I say, yes, you need this palette. It's amazing. It's the best. Do you feel attacked right now? No, because I only used 8 shades out of 18. So, and I mean, I barely used, come on. Did I use 8? Maybe 9. I don't remember. I lost count. Either way, I do like it. Super happy to have it. Nat, get out of here. I definitely am excited to play more with it. And then the gloss. I do wish a little more product came off the brush within like one dip, but they probably did that on purpose. Very nice gloss. More of a lip oil, not sticky at all, and the root beer scent is really nice. And I know, I said that I wasn't going to do a look with the mini controversy, but I'm not a big fan of this, and I have to go out to dinner tonight for my friend's birthday, so lucky you. I'm gonna wash it off, and I'll do a quick look with the mini controversy. I'll like just put some music, and you can kind of watch me do it, and I'll show you what I'm doing, so be right back. Whew. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm gonna do a look with this baby. I washed my face, obviously. I'm gonna do my base after my eyes, like normal. There is some pink staining, and I only had that shadow on for like, 20 minutes while I was doing it, so that's pretty typical with his shadows anyway, but just letting you know. I'm going to start with the shade Cry on My Couch. Let's do Canceled. I'm gonna go back in with Flat Earth and like try to blend the edges. I'm gonna take Controversy. Okay, I'm gonna take the Simulation. Woo! Damn, that's a gorgeous blue. I'm taking more of that purple Controversy. I just wanna kind of, there we go. I like blended it away. I want it to be more prominent because I think the blue and the purple look really nice together. Maybe I'll take some My Apology. I just wanted to see if that would kind of marry them, but I don't like that. So never mind, going back in with Controversy. I'm taking Exposed. Basically, I'm playing right now. That's what it's come to. Now I'm just goofing off. Okay, you know what? I said this was gonna be more understated. Let me go put a base on, and I'll be back to do some lower lash line. I'm gonna take some of this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Liner. This is the shade Vivid. I just like that it matches the purple eyeshadow. All right, lower lash line, I think I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna take Canceled and probably just smoke it out. Please hold while I put black liner on my lash line. You guys know me. So for inner corner highlight, I actually want to use the Ofra Nikki Tutorials collab shade, Space Baby. It's like a pretty blue. And I don't know, I just gravitate towards it anytime I do blue eyeshadow. My inner corners are stained pink, but it kind of works with the purple. It's fine. And then in the brow bone, I'm just gonna take some Exposed. Kind of fun. I think I'm gonna mix it with Flat Earth. Mascara, then we'll talk. Okay everyone, here is the finished look. What do we think? I like this one better than the first one because I didn't mess up the inner corner. I really like how the blues played with the purple. And I got to use 6 out of the 9 shades, so pretty good judgment on this palette. Really liked it. Blendable mattes, pretty shimmer. Yeah, I only used, I mean, that's a cool shade, but, oh, fuck, that's a cool shade. But yeah, I wasn't liking it with this. Anyway, I think this is a really cool collection, and I'm excited to play more with it, and I'm really excited to see, like, actual makeup artists, what they do with it. I bet their looks are just going to be so bomb, so I'll be stalking Instagram for maybe some inspo, but yeah, I'm happy. Not like he'll ever see this, but congratulations to Shane Dawson, because this is awesome. But yeah, hopefully I'll be using these 2 palettes more in the future on my channel if you guys want to see it. I really want to mess with that neon shade in the Conspiracy palette. Oh my god. So did you guys pick up anything from the Conspiracy collection, or were you tempted? I would love to know. Please let me know in the comments below. Other than that, this is all I've got for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.